Hey everybody, it's Neil and I want to show y'all what I have here. This is going to be a cooler that actually can go into the car, I guess. I don't know, let's see how it looks and how it works. It's a nice big cooler. Let me get out of here. There we go, box is empty. I'll put it there. And this here is what it looks like. So it's got a handle here that comes up so we can roll it. Oh, can you see from there? Maybe that's it there. So that's nice. And I'm going to kind of aim you all down a little bit so you can see it better. I got the cars in the back, but see, and then here we go. It opens up. I'll push this down. Then we can open it up. And inside we have two different ways of connecting. So we have this is just a 110 plug. Move up here. We can connect it up to a 110. Connection with this one here, and then this way here we can connect it into our car. And it's very nice. It's got all the settings over here. Right there we can see it's got cool right there and hot, so it can go to cool. We can set it for, I guess that's setting it for the, this one here would be the 110, the regular outlet, and then that would be setting it for the car outlet, so we just set it for which one we want. We can also hold it from the handle. Not too heavy, so that's kind of nice. And then we have the opening up. Oh, I guess it's not going to open with the handle out. That's kind of cool. And then here is the stuff. So it'll heat it up and cool it with this. And it's got a little section inside. And let me go plug it in, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Where's my plug? Right here. I just have a little portable 110 plug, but we'll try this out here and see how it works. It's nice and stylish. It'll be great and easy to roll, so we can take it anywhere we want. Oh, what did I unplug here? There we go. So this will plug in here and plug it in here on the side. Here we are. And do we have the AC on? There it is. So I can hear the fans going now. I don't know if you guys can hear that, but it's fairly quiet. Got a little places to put some little cups up here as we go. And that's kind of it. It's very nice. And I guess it's blowing cool air into it now. Not sure. I don't have anything really in it right now, but the cooler part is all up top. Nice little thing. And I like that it has the little handle so we can take it down to the out to the car and inside as we go. So nice for a little picnic or pretty much anything. So I'm gonna say thumbs up, very nice. Can't wait to get to use it. Probably just keep it in my car. Use it all the time. Might be nice for even getting groceries, keeping them cool on the way home. So I like it, thumbs up.